Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Today I'm making some pretty, yummy and colorful ribbon sandwiches. These are also called rainbow sandwiches. You can make this for a party as an appetizer or a finger food. You can use any kind of veggies and condiments and also bread when you are making these sandwiches. So let's see how I made them. First, I boil some carrots until they are very tender. After they are cooled down, I remove the skin, cut them into pieces, and then mash them with a potato masher. If you prefer, you can use a food processor to mash the carrots. I also used some green lettuce, washed them up, drained the water, and then cut them into small pieces like this. I cut a beet into 2 pieces, then boiled them for about 30 minutes, cooled it, and then used only one piece and mashed it with the potato masher. I also used about 2 ounces of grated cheese. You also need about 4 ounces of room temperature butter, 1.5 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, Dijon mustard, crushed black pepper, and some salt. Now add the room temperature cream cheese into the cut up lettuce. If you prefer, you can add some mayonnaise instead of cream cheese into the lettuce. Now add 1 tablespoon each of room temperature butter into the beets, the carrots, and to the grated cheese. Then mix well together. Make sure to have a separate spoon for each dish. Now add crushed black pepper into the beets, the cheese, the lettuce, and to the carrots. Then mix together. Now add some salt and also some Dijon mustard to the beets and to the carrots. If you want, you can add a Dijon mustard to all 4 dishes. So here is the prepared carrot mix, the beets, the cheese, and the lettuce. I used some white bread. Keep the bread in the fridge until you are ready to use them. Now add some beet mix into a slice of bread. Cover it with another slice and then add some of the lettuce cream cheese mix over it. Cover it with another slice of bread and then add some of the carrot mixture over it. Now cover it again with another slice of bread. Now I am going to cut the crust. If you prefer, you can cut the crust before you start assembling the sandwich. You can use these cut up crusts as a snack. Now cut this into 4 squares. Make sure to use a sharp knife when cut it into pieces. Look how pretty and colorful they look. For my second set of sandwiches, I'm gonna cut the crust before I start assembling. First, I'm adding some cheese mixture over a piece of bread. Now cover it with another slice of bread and then add some of the carrot mixture over it. Then cover it with another slice of bread and then spread some beet mixture over it. Now cover it with another slice of bread. Now level the sandwich around the edges. Now I am going to cut this into small 4 triangles. As I mentioned earlier, make sure to use a sharp knife when cutting it into pieces. These sandwiches look so pretty and colorful. So here are my ribbon sandwiches which are so yummy, colorful and pretty. Hope you enjoyed watching and hope you will also make them and enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you for being here. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.